Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone job lead. I hope everyone is enjoying the weekend so far, but real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another job lead from me. So that you can get on with your weekend, we'll keep today's video as short as possible. The company Octria is hiring a remote work from home part-time customer care representative. Now, this is in North America only, so this is for my United States folks and my Canadian folks. Now, this position is part-time, evenings, and weekends, so this is perfect for those of you who have a full-time job and looking to make just a little bit of extra money. While they do not say what the pay rate is, you'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. It does say rewards will include, amongst other benefits, invitations to company summits and a generous year-end bonus of up to 15% of your wages. So they are looking for a customer care representative to work closely with their customers to support the manager to identify bugs, issues, and user pain points. You'll provide frontline customer care via email, live chat, and other channels. So this is non-phone, email, and chat. And you'll handle the customer requests and questions with thoughtful, friendly, and an empathetic tone. You'll proactively take on challenges, research information, and help troubleshoot their problems to deliver creative results. You'll provide accurate, valid, and comprehensive information using suitable methods and tools. And of course, you'll keep record of all the customer interactions and process customer accounts and file documents as necessary. You'll do this following communication procedures, guidelines, and policies. They are really looking for someone to go the extra mile to engage the customers. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they do not require any college degree, only a high school diploma. They do require that you be a U.S. or Canadian resident with the right to work. They're looking for someone who can commit to 10 to 16 hours per week, focusing on evenings and weekends in the West Coast time zone. So you'll have to convert the time zone that you live in to West Coast time zones to make sure that those hours will work for you. They want someone who has experience in customer support or customer care. Someone has a track record of not just reaching requirements, but exceeding them. So they are really looking for a go-getter and someone who has strong email and chat administrative skills. Now, beyond that, they also want you to be able to multitask and have a powerful set of skills in English reading and writing, especially with emails and text chat. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.